Oh my god. Oh my. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do a very special unboxing. I know that most of my unboxings I mainly do for other brands, but today is a very special one because it is my own product and I've been working so hard on this product and I'm so excited to finally share it with you guys. I haven't seen the final result. It just came in right now. I got ready like in a couple of seconds and I'm sitting here with you guys, so we're gonna do the unboxing together. I'm so excited. I don't know, I'm nervous. I have the box here, guys. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna do an ASMR so you guys can hear me unboxing it, so I hope you guys like. And I have to be careful so I don't rip anything in here. This is harder than I thought. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to make sure I count everything and make sure everything's in here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm guessing you guys already know what it is. Oh my god. Oh my. Wow. Okay, so obviously it's a glue. I'm coming out with two different kinds of glues and this is my first time seeing the actual package. As you guys know, my aesthetic is white and gold with a little bit of peach, but I need to take it in for a second. But this glue right here is called Obsessed and it is a 5mm glue and it is a 0.5 to 1 second glue, so that means that it's for advanced artists, someone that can keep up with the speed of the glue. I need to breathe. I'm like freaking out. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, guys, and I'm gonna have to show you guys, like zoom in on it so you guys can see it. Look how cute it is. Oh my goodness, I'm so obsessed with it. Obviously, if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that I tend to say obsessed a lot, especially for things that I really do love. So I've been testing out these glues for a long time and the retention I've been getting has been amazing. Obviously, I'm going to put some pictures here for you guys. I would not be putting my name on something that I do not trust or have not tested out for a while, and this is one glue that has been my ride or die for a long time. And I know that for a while I haven't really been talking about any glues that I've been loving recently, just because obviously I've been working on my own. And just look how beautiful it is. Obviously it has the gold letters to it. I don't know if you guys can see it. I know the lighting is a little weird, so I'm gonna put a close-up for you guys here. Oh my god, it's so cute. So it does say it's Obsessed and it's an advanced artist adhesive. So the reason why I wanted to make sure is that I put what kind of glue it is because I don't want you guys second guessing or wondering what glue will be good for you guys depending where your skill level is at. Obviously this one is a 0.5 to 1 second, so Obsessed is an advanced artist glue, and I made sure to put it on the bottle. That way you guys don't have to sit there and wonder what kind of glue you guys need to get. So this glue has been my ride or die and I am just obsessed with the packaging. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on them. You guys are gonna be just as obsessed as I am. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, let me see if I can find the other one. Because here she is. Okay. Okay, so this one is called Bestie and this one is meant for beginner artist glue, and obviously it says is a beginner glue. And this one is really different compared to the other one, and I wanted to make sure I make it as simple as possible for you guys to know which one to order. And this one is a round bottle, and again with the gold lid, again with the same gold foil, but this one is called Bestie. And I wanted to name my glues something that you guys can relate to, and obviously when it comes to having someone that you can count on and depend on, that's what you would consider a bestie, right? So I know that this glue is going to be a glue you guys can go to back and back and back, and a glue that you guys can depend on every single time. I have tested each one of these glues, and I know for a fact that these glues are going to work for you guys. It is a 1 to 2 second glue, so it is a little fast when it comes to beginner glues, because usually beginner glues are between 2 to 5 seconds. But I feel like when you're dealing with a 5-second glue, it is way too slow. And even with my students, I have not given them a 5-second glue because it is way too slow. I used to in the beginning, and my students were struggling. Like, they couldn't even hold the extension there because the glue wasn't drying at all. So I dropped it down to a 2-second glue, and my students have been picking it up so fast. So I want you guys to be able to not only use a glue that works for your speed, but also a glue that kind of pushes you to work a little bit faster. So not because you're using a faster glue necessarily means that you're going to build up speed, but it is going to help you because you're going to be able to train yourself to be working as fast as that glue. So again, this glue is a 1 to 2 second glue, so depending where your humidity is at, it's going to help you or actually make it a little bit worse. I'm going to be doing a separate video all about adhesives and how to make your glues work a little bit better, but today is just an unboxing video, so I'm not going to go too much into detail. But again, just look how cute this glue is. Okay, so let me show you the difference between both of them, and obviously you guys already saw, but that way you guys can know which glue is better for you. So these are both of them together. This one is the 1 to 2 second glue. If you prefer a slower glue, then this is definitely the one to go. They both have amazing retention, and again, it all depends on everything that you're doing. Depending on your humidity and room temperature, it's either going to make or break your glue. So always double check your glues on the back to see if that glue is fit for your environment. So both of these glues work well between humidities of 50 to 70%. Make sure that you are fixing your room temperature to best fit your glue. That way your glue is working its best. So yes, room temperature and humidity play a huge role on how your glue is going to work during application. So this is a 0.5 to 1 second. This one is the Obsessed, and then we have the Bestie, which is the round one, and this is the 1 to 2 seconds. Remember to get the one that is best fit for your skill level. So this is more of an advanced glue, and again, it says advanced artist adhesive, and then this one says beginner artist adhesive. So I'm just so excited. I can't wait for you guys to get it, and I can't believe I'm actually holding them in my hand. They both look so cute, and I can't wait for you guys to start playing with them. And honestly, I just can't believe this day is happening. Oh my goodness, I've been working hard, and I'm pretty sure you guys have noticed that I kind of been MIA on here, and it's honestly because I've been working so hard on my product line, and I also just finished my beginner courses. So if you are somebody that is wanting to become a lash artist, then I recommend for you to go check out my online beginner course. I have 20+ comprehensive videos on how to start your lash career, and I try to make everything as simple as possible. That way you guys can just get on the right track becoming a lash artist. So other than that, that is pretty much it for this video. I can't stop looking at them. So if you see me looking down, it's because I keep looking at them. But if you guys did like this video, and also I do have some amazing discounts coming your guys' way. I have this membership that is going to blow your guys' mind, and I'm going to be doing a separate video all about that. So if you guys want to save some good money and be buying high quality products for a very affordable price, then my memberships are coming out very soon, and you guys are gonna be blown away on how much money you guys could be potentially saving being a member of mine. But I'm not gonna get too much into it because I don't have the details. But even then, instead of buying the glue at full price, you guys are going to be buying the glue at a very, very discounted price. And the reason why I don't want to sit here and tell you guys the prices of what each glue is because you guys are going to benefit more being a member once I get all the details. And again, I'm just excited. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on them. And these glues are so beautiful. They're even cuter than I thought, and you guys definitely need them. So all right then. I don't know how to finish off this video. Okay, so if you guys did like this unboxing, thank you guys so much for watching. There is more products. Honestly, I'm just like, I can't wait to get all my other products, and I'm just sitting here waiting impatiently for everything else. And these next few months are just gonna be crazy. Like the amount of products I'm gonna be dropping, you guys are gonna be blown away. And of course, I'm investing so much time and so much of my money, and I just want the best for you guys, you know. And you guys already know that I will never recommend nor put my name on a brand that I don't fully trust. And again, my brand is very, very special to me, and I just want the best for you guys. So if you guys did like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, go check out my website. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, then definitely be on the lookout, or make sure to be subscribe to my emails on my website at yoyis-beauty.com, and that way you guys can be notified when I do drop my glues. And you guys don't want to miss them because they're gonna fly by. I already know these glues are gonna fly by, and you guys want to make sure you get your hands on them because these glues are amazing. I'm gonna start doing videos on them, and that way you guys can see how they work. And I'm just excited. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on them. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.